In the world of electric bikes, the Perraro Jaguar 2E all-wheel drive stands out with its impressive specifications and robust features. This will be the first dual-motor e-bike that I've had the pleasure of reviewing on the channel. Priced at $1,899, down from $2,699, this bike promises high performance coupled with durability. This bike is equipped with dual motors and a myriad of high-tech features. This bike is designed to tackle various terrains, including the challenging slopes of the North Georgia mountains. This review will take you through the unboxing, assembly, and preparation, and a test ride to provide a comprehensive evaluation of the Perraro Jaguar 2E all-wheel drive. The Perraro Jaguar 2 presents a modern and powerful appearance. It has a sleek matte black finish with striking red accents that outline the bike's geometric frame design, giving it an eye-catching look. The branding is prominent with the Perraro name on the side of the battery pack, which sits snugly on the rear part of the frame. The bike structure is robust, with a sturdy frame that includes angular cutouts, contributing to its aesthetic and possibly reducing the overall weight. The long cushioned dual seat extends over the rear wheel, suggesting comfort for potentially two riders or extra space for a solo rider. For tires, it has chunky 20-inch by 40-inch Kenda fat tires, which are known for their puncture resistance and ability to handle rugged terrain. These tires are mounted on solid black rims with bright orange reflector detailing, adding to the bike's dynamic look. Overall, the bike exudes a sense of adventure and readiness for challenging terrains with its all-wheel drive feature. The combination of its color scheme, the fat tires, and the overall build suggests it's designed for both performance and style. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free from the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up, and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Perraro Jaguar 2 all-wheel drive e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. One step that I've never had the pleasure of doing for an electric bike is plugging in the motor for the front wheel. A simple step, just never assembled an all-wheel drive e-bike before. The pedals are clearly marked for left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Okay, let's take this thing for a ride. In the world of electric bikes, versatility and power are paramount, especially for those who dare to challenge the more formidable terrains that nature has to offer. The Perraro Jaguar 2 all-wheel drive electric bike not only promises to meet these demands, but also to surpass them with ease. With a full battery and a series of meticulous preparations complete, it was time to take the Jaguar 2 for the ultimate test through the North Georgia mountains, a region famed for its unforgiving slopes and rugged landscapes. This was the perfect proving ground for an e-bike that boasts a dual motor system. Amidst the comprehensive exploration of the Perraro Jaguar 2, a peculiar and somewhat amusing observation surfaced. As I embarked on the upward journey through the North Georgia mountains, a sensation emerged that was unexpected. My ears began to pop. This experience, typically reserved for rapid altitude changes in an airplane, was a testament to the bike's climbing prowess. The popping of ears is a natural response to changes in air pressure. As I ascended the mountain paths, the effortless manner in which the Jaguar tackled the steep inclines was so smooth and rapid that it scarcely allowed time for my ears to equalize pressure. In essence, the bike's ability to climb did not just challenge the expectations of electric bike performance, it defied the body's natural acclimatization to altitude change. This quirky detail inadvertently underscored the sheer climbing efficiency of the Jaguar II, a beast of a hill climber that seemingly laughs in the face of gravity. This unique observation seamlessly weaves into the fabric of the bike's overall assessment when a machine can manage such swift elevation gain that your body's barometric pressure response kicks in. It speaks volumes about the engineering behind it. The dual motors with their 750 watt power and 90 nanometers of torque each, peaking at 1,150 watts, do not just propel you forward, they lift you upward with an alacrity that borders on astonishing. The sensation of ears popping during the ascent is an anecdotal but tangible indicator of the Jaguar II's capabilities. It's as though the bike is so eager to conquer heights that it forgets to warn you of its breakneck pace in scaling altitudes. The feeling is a byproduct of the design ethos, one that prioritizes the unrelenting assault of uphill challenges. The Jaguar allows for selective motor engagement. In all-wheel drive mode, both motors are active, providing balanced power delivery and optimal traction. In scenarios that don't call for full power, such as moderate inclines or level ground, the rider can choose to engage either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, thereby conserving battery life and extending the ride's range. This ability to adapt the powertrain to specific needs speaks volumes about the bike's intelligent design. The next aspect that commands attention is the ride quality, particularly the suspension system. As the Jaguar II navigates the variegated terrains of the North Georgia mountains, the dual suspension system is put to the test. It rises to the challenge admirably, absorbing the harshest of rocky paths and smoothing out the jarring undulations that are all too common on such trails. The full suspension system makes a remarkable difference, as it not only preserves the integrity of the ride, but also the stamina and comfort of the rider over extended periods. The dual seat is not just a place to rest, it is a haven of comfort. With ample cushioning and support, the rider can maintain a relaxed posture, an essential factor during long rides. The thoughtful placement of the handlebars contributes to the ergonomic triumph. They are positioned to provide a natural grip, reducing the strain of the rider's wrist and shoulders, which is often a point of fatigue for cyclists. The range of the e-bike is another highlight. With a 48-volt, 25-amp Samsung battery, the rider is promised a range of over 90 miles on pedal assist 1, which proves to be no idle boast. The North Georgia mountains' demanding trails serve as the ultimate test for any battery's longevity, and the Jaguar II's battery passes with flying colors. Throughout the test ride, the battery indicators maintain a reassuring display of remaining power, leaving range anxiety as nothing more than a distant memory. When taking on challenging environments, safety cannot be an afterthought. The Jaguar II all-wheel drive is designed with a suite of safety features that instill confidence in the rider. The integrated headlight and brake light are not mere accessories, but vital components that ensure visibility in all conditions. The addition of turn signals is a nod to the urban potential of this e-bike, making it a viable option for city commuters who demand the highest safety standards. In the lush clasp of the North Georgia mountains, there unfurls a narrative, a tapestry of motion and emotion, woven through the act of traversal. Here, the Perraro Jaguar II all-wheel drive electric bike becomes not merely a vehicle, but a vessel of experience, transforming travel into a symphony of connection with the elements. As the days cascade one into another, the journey across these ancient slopes morphs into a montage of sensations, reflections, and epiphanies intertwined with the very essence of the terrain. The trails of the North Georgia mountains unravel as a grand composition, a blend of textures and hues that the eye can barely contain. They curve and carve through the earth, an ever-shifting tapestry that dances from the smoothest tarmacs to the wildest gravel-strewn byways. The Perraro Jaguar 2, with its commanding all-terrain posture, becomes the scribe, etching a narrative across the diverse expanse. Its wide, resilient tires embrace the earth, whether kissing the solidity of concrete or grappling with the challenge of shifting stone, bestowing a ride imbued with confidence and poise. Armed with the Jaguar 2's all-terrain capability and persistent battery life, the traveler is beckoned beyond the familiar bounds. The bike becomes the key to unlock the secluded sanctuaries, a tool to uncover the pristine and untouched recesses of the mountains, where nature's artistry is displayed in its environmental guardianship. Its slight ecological footprint mirrors the ethos of maintaining the untouched splendor of the mountains. This journey is a narrative of exploration that honors and treasures the wild, a homage to sustainable and mindful passage. As the expedition with the Perraro Jaguar e-bike reaches its end, it leaves behind an abstract myriad of impressions that transcend the tangible journey. It speaks to the call for challenge and delight presented by the highlands, the instance of serene contemplation amidst the majesty of nature, and the realization that the e-bike's role as a liaison between humanity and the wilderness. Reflecting upon the days spent in the embrace of the North Georgia mountains aboard the Jaguar, the journey transpires as an eloquent tale, an entwining of the traveler with the soul of the land. It is a saga, not just of a biking escapade. It is a chronicle of discovery, of boundary pushing, and of finding a symbiotic rhythm with the wild. The Jaguar in this story transcends the notion of an e-bike. It becomes a companion, a dream weaver, and a testament to the transformative allure of exploration. Through the mist that crown the morning groves, across the dappled glades bathed in sunlight, and down the twilight-shrouded trails, the Jaguar 2 bears its rider, each pedal stroke as a stride into the enigma, each mile a new verse in an enduring odyssey of adventure and self-discovery. The passage of the Perraro Jaguar 2 e-bike through the North Georgia mountains is a meditation of harmonious fusion of movement and repose. It is an opportunity to sever ties with the clamor of routine and to re-engage with the more profound, silent rhythms of the earth. The gentle hum of the bike, the crunch of gravel under tread, the whispers of the wind through the leaves, these become a part of the journey that is as introspective as it is about conquering distances. In this journey, the e-bike emerges not just as a medium for travel, but as a catalyst for deeper appreciation of both self and surroundings. It enables a mode of journeying that is both reflective and outward-looking, a pilgrimage that respects the relics of yesteryear while embracing the prospects of tomorrow. Riding the Perraro Jaguar 2 in the North Georgia mountains is about more than the thrill or the challenge. It's about forging a bond with the land, learning its lore, and becoming a part of its perpetual story. As the expedition concludes, the memories endure of sunsets witnessed from lofty peaks, of the refreshing embrace of mountain streams, of the profound silence that cloaks the woods. The Perraro Jaguar 2, a steadfast confidant throughout this adventure, stands as a symbol of these experiences, a connector between the mundane and the miraculous, between the rider and the route, and between humankind and nature. Ultimately, the odyssey through the North Georgia mountains on the Perraro Jaguar 2 is a testament to the essence of exploration, the splendor of the wild, and the innate potential within us to embark on quests that provoke, inspire, and transform. It's a journey that transcends mere miles. It's a voyage into the heart of what it means to venture forth, to connect, and to live fully in the caress of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.